effective inside pass to Garinato. He gets swatted away. Lassiter. 3 to tie.
Oh, got it. Got it. That's a 3.
Minute and a half remaining. King makes his move. Tight guarding. Oh, the basket is good.
Oh, what a shot by George King.
Thought about it. And why not? Why not? He's been making them.
Gotta give it to this guy.
Drive. George King takes it right back. Siso na yung ating labanan. Aurin 3. Yes! Again!
Kim Aurin.
He'll go around it and attack. Sidestep. Layup is good! Ryan and Kim Aurin have stepped up. Let's check that out for Reynam Batak from the
That's
point
what
guard.
I
So TNT, relax lang dito. Sige, do what you want.
There's a 3-point shot.
He hit it pa.
That made it.
Which is something you need as far as the quotient is concerned as well.